Good morning, beta. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yesterday we had started with the new chapter, that is rational number. We had discussed the meaning of the rational number. Meaning we had discussed. So rational numbers are the numbers which are of the form P by Q. P and Q are integers and denominator should not be 0. If denominator is 0, like 2 by 0, it will be not defined. So it will no longer be a rational number. In fact, it is not defined. You can't define that number. So 2 by 0 is not defined. It will not be included in the list of the integers, rational number. Got it? And what are fractions? So fractions are the numbers which are again of the form P by Q, where P and Q are whole number and denominator should not be 0. Got it? So one difference is there. In case of the fraction, all the fractions are positive only. All the numbers which are of the form P by Q are positive. But in case of the rational number, they can be positive and negative. Am I audible? Is it okay? Okay. So beta, yesterday we had discussed about the equivalent rational number we had discussed, and positive rational number, negative rational numbers we had discussed. Now let's start with the new thing, that is your standard form. What is standard form? A number is said to be in the standard form. Like I'm giving you one example. A number is said to be in the standard form if there is a number is said to be in the standard form if there is nothing common between the numerator and denominator. So that means the numerator and denominator has only one number common, that is 1. The common number between the numerator and denominator is 1. Like if I write 2 by 3, as you know that 2 and 3 both are prime, so they will not be cancelled out further by any number. So they are already in the standard form. But if I write 4 by 6, so 4 and 6 both are even number and they can be cancelled out with the table of 2. So that means 4 by 6 is not in the standard form because it has 2 common. So after cancellation, now 2 by 3 has been shifted to the, this 4 by 6 has been shifted to 2 by 3 after cancellation, and this will be your standard form. Got it? So this is written on page number 178 on the upper line, top line. A rational number is said to be in the standard form if numerator and denominator has only one common. Okay? There should be no number common between them. So now, can you please convert the numbers in the standard form? Convert this into standard form. Cancel it out. Both the numbers are cancelled out with 15. So 15 3s are 45, 15 2s are 30. So your answer is 2 by 3. Now 2 and 3 both are prime. They can't be cancelled out further. So this is your standard form. Next is your minus 3 by minus 15. Now firstly you will cancel out minus. Minus will cancel out. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So your answer is 1 by 5. Is it okay? Is it clear, beta? Now write one more question related to this, that is minus 16 by 36. Minus 16 by 36. 4 4s are 16. 4 9s are 36. Now the answer is minus 4 by 9. 4 and 9 don't have any number common. So it is your standard form. You can't reduce it further. It cannot be cancelled out with any other number. 2 will be, 4 can be cancelled out with 2. But 9 is your odd number. This can't be cancelled out with 2. So this will be your reduced form. Yes, listen, one more thing I want to tell you here is, The another name of the standard form is lowest form, reduced form, simplest form. The question can be changed to this also. It's not compulsory that this similar type of question will be there in the exam. The statement can be changed. So standard form can be asked in the form of lowest form, reduced form, simplest. Is it okay? Is it okay, beta? Any doubt? Now please solve this next part, fourth part. 36 by minus 24. Cancel it out, hurry up, and tell me the reduced form of this number. Simplest form, reduced form. Guneet, you have any doubt?
मैम
Yes.
मैम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म फिर से बता दो.
क्या?
स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म.
कटिंग करनी है बेटा किसी भी टेबल से.
मैम जो आंसर आएगा वो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है.
जैसे आपके सामने ये है 36 इवन नंबर है, 24 इज ऑल्सो इवन. आप 2 से कटिंग कर लो. 2 1s are 2, 1 is left, it will become 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. फिर से कटिंग कर लो. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are. अब 3 से कटिंग हो रही है. 3 3s are 3 2s are. तो आंसर इज -3/2. मैंने 2 2 से कटिंग करी है. आप चाहो तो सीधा 12 से कटिंग कर लो. 12 3s are 36, 12 2s are 24. Direct, if you know, you can cancel it out directly. And if you didn't be able to, if you are not able to solve it directly, you can solve this by smaller number. 2 से 3 से जिससे कटिंग होती है आप कर लो. Now next is complete the pattern. Next thing we are doing is completing the pattern. Next number. Now look here. Yes, Jalash.
मैम मैंने पूछना था कि जैसे लिखा है 3 -3/-12, तो अगर इसकी कटिंग नहीं होती तो ऐसे छोड़ देंगे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में भी.
किसकी बेटा?
मैम अगर जैसे कि मैम जैसे कि है 4/11, तो कटिंग नहीं हो रही तो ऐसे छोड़ देंगे फिर.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
कुछ नीचे लिखना नहीं है कि कटिंग नहीं हो रही तो कुछ लिखना नहीं नीचे.
जहां तक कटिंग पॉसिबल है करनी है. अगर नहीं पॉसिबल, दैट विल बी योर लोएस्ट. Now look here. -1, -2, -3, -4. Next will be -5, -6, -7. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. कटिंग नहीं करनी. कटिंग नहीं करनी. You will leave it as it is. इनकी कटिंग नहीं करनी बिकॉज यू आर कंप्लीटिंग द पैटर्न. अगर आप इन सबकी कटिंग करते हो ना तो सबका आंसर 1/3 आ रहा है. देखो -1/3. इसकी कटिंग करो -1/3. इसकी कटिंग करो -1/3. इसकी भी कटिंग कर दोगे तो सारे सेम हो जाएंगे. देन पैटर्न विल बी चेंज. पैटर्न विल बी सेम. देयर विल बी नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ द पैटर्न, बट यू हैव टू फिल द ब्लैंक ओनली हियर. सो यू विल राइट द पैटर्न. मीन्स आप नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक फिल करते जाओगे. आपको ये नहीं कहा रिड्यूस करो. रिड्यूस करने को कहता है देन यू विल कैंसिल आउट. तो आपने सिर्फ पैटर्न कंप्लीट करना है. ठीक है. और क्वेश्चन लिखिए ऐसे आप करोगे. प्लीज स्टार्ट दिस सेकंड क्वेश्चन. -3/5 minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20. Do it, beta. Check the pattern in the numerator as well as in the denominator and continue in the same manner. Hurry up.
Ma'am, in the numerator we are multiplying by 3. 3 to ma'am.
Stop it. From your side. Why so much disturbance is there, beta? Hargun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me the pattern?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 15 by 25.
3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are
3
15.
5s are 50. Minus 18.
Minus
18.
yeah,
Minus 21.
minus 21. Yes. Next, Sanchit will tell the denominator part. Sanchit,
Ma'am,
yes.
25.
Can you on your video, beta, just for a while? Not able to see you. एक minute, wait करो. Speak up, beta.
Ma'am, 25, 30, 35.
25, 30, 35. Very good.
35.
Very good, Sanchit. Okay. Any doubt, beta? So in the numerator, we have table of 3. In the denominator, we have table of 5. So we have just written the table in the continuity. Any doubt? Now see one more part of this. But this question is from your exercise. Question number 2, first part. Question number 2, first part. Now question number 2, second part. ये exercise का question है. Question number 2. So I am discussing the example as well as the exercise question side by side. जो इससे पहले किया था, that was the example. This is your question number 2, first part. Now question number 2, second part we are doing. Minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12. Now who will answer me? Sameer. Sameer, you were just raising hand previously. Can you please answer this question? Yes, Angel. Garvit. Weber, very good.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, minus
Ma'am,
4.
ma'am, 4 by 16. Ma'am, minus 4 by 16.
Okay, next who will answer? ये कौन था बेटा? Who was this? Who has just answered?
Ma'am, Garvit.
Weber.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Garvit.
Garvit tha, okay. Now Weber will answer. Weber, yes, you are already unmuted.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 5 over 20.
Weber, can you on your video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Weber. Anji. Weber, yes, what will be the next number?
Ma'am, minus 15 over 20.
Minus,
Ma'am, minus 5.
yes, upon,
Ma'am, 20.
yes, yes. Minus 5 by 20. Next, Hargun will answer. Yes, Hargun.
yes, sir.
minus 6 by 24.
Minus 6 by 24. Yes, very good. Now next will Tarun Chug will answer. Tarun and Arush. Okay, so I'm writing one more question at my own. It's not given in the book. Okay. Tarun, can you answer this better? Yes, Tarun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Anmol is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Tarun?
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बोलो अनमोल.
ma'am, 52 over. Ma'am, 52 over 56.
Yes, yes, very good. Can you tell me the pattern what I have written?
Ma'am, it is increasing 3 by 3. In
Not
first
3,
row.
beta. It is a table of 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 13 threes are 13 fours are. 14 ones are 14 twos are 14 threes are 14 fours are. Now 13 fives are 65. 14 fives are 70. So this is the table of 13 and 14 I have written in the numerator and denominator. Okay. Is it okay? So this was question number 2 from your exercise 9.1. Okay. Now let's start with the next question. Two more parts are there. Two more parts are there. So let's discuss one more part from this question. Now let's see who will answer this. Tarun, I want Tarun to give me the answer. Let's see. Tarun, can you answer? Yes, Samriddhi is there. Very good. Samriddhi.
Ma'am, 5 by minus 30.
कौन है ये बेटा? कौन था? वैभव.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vaibhav. Vaibhav has given the first answer. What you had just spoken, beta? Can you repeat?
Ma'am, 5 by 30.
मैम
Minus 30.
Minus 30, yes. Who is this next, beta? Who will answer?
मैम तरुण मैम वो पहले मेरा माइक अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा था
Okay, yes, Tarun.
मैम -6 by 48
Review it again,
oh
beta.
sorry मैम -6 by 36
Yes,
मैम
yes.
-6 by 36
Yes, yes, very good. Now Samriddhi will answer.
-7 by 42.
Minus
7.
by 42. Okay. Who is this, beta?
Sameer.
Okay, Samir. Very good, beta. -7 by 42. Okay, very good. Now, the homework of this question is last part. Question number 2, last part is your homework. Now, beta, let's start with the next question. Question number 2 we had done. Homework is question number 2, last part. Now, question number 3 we had already discussed. Now, question number 4 we are doing. Beta, question number 1 is pending, that we will do at the end. Let me discuss the easier thing, then you all will be able to answer me the first question. Question number 4, draw the number line. 3 by 4 you have to draw. Just keep this thing in mind that you have to draw the number line using pencil and scale. Don't draw it with the pen or even with the rough hand, freehand, okay? So it's compulsory to use a pencil and scale for the construction of this or making this number line. So it's very easy. 3 by 4 is a positive number. So you will write 0 in the middle. Arrows you will put in the line because we are making number line. And line is always ending with arrows on both the sides. Yes, Arshia, can you tell me how you will draw this? Now 0, next is your denominator is 4. So denominator is fixed 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Next is your 4 by 4. And 4 by 4 when cancel out will be your 1. Now have you seen that from 0 to 1, we have so many 3 numbers are there between them. So same is the case for this negative side, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, and next is your minus 4 by 4, that is minus 1. Is it okay? Any problem? So this is your answer. You will write here A represent 3 by 4 on number line. Let's see one more part. I'm drawing one more part, then after that you will do the next question. Next is minus 5 by 8. Next is minus 5 by 8. So you will make the number line here. You will put arrows on both the sides. In the middle, you will have 0. Next is your minus, sorry. On the right hand side, you have positive number 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8. Numerator will change, but denominator will be fixed. 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. Okay, so these are the positive number, and on the left hand side, minus 1 by 8, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 6 by 8, minus 7 by 8. Next is minus 8 by 8. Minus 8 by 8 is minus 1. 8 by 8 is 1. So keep this thing in mind. The distance from 0 to 1 and 0 to minus 1 should be same. And our answer is this. So you will name it A. A represent minus 5 by 8 on number line. Any problem, beta? Any doubt? Any doubt? Sanya, is it okay? Is it clear? Sanya. Now please draw the third part, that is minus 7 by 4. Start minus 7 by 4. Minus 7 by 4, third part. One by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4. This 4 by 4 is your 1. Now we want negative. Move on the left hand side. If the question is negative, then on the right hand side, it's not compulsory to write all the numbers. You can write just 2-3 numbers. अगर पॉजिटिव चाहिए तो पॉजिटिव वाले सारे लिख लो, नेगेटिव वाले 1-2 लिख दो, और अगर नेगेटिव चाहिए तो राइट पॉजिटिव 2-3 पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, minus 4 by 4, minus 5 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4. This is your minus 1. तो ये आपका आंसर है. ये इसको A दे दो. A represent -7/4 on number line. Answer is -7/4. So I have given it name A, and you will write A represent -7/4 on the number line. Question number 2, last part. Question number 4, second part. Third we have already done. इसका भी बेटा सेकंड पार्ट कर लो, बी पार्ट. Question number 6. -7/21, 3/9. Which of the following pair represent the same rational number? You have to check, are they same? So you please cancel it out. इसकी कटिंग करेंगे -1/3 आ जाएगा. इसकी कटिंग करेंगे 1/3 आ जाएगा. Are they same? This is negative, this is positive. They are not same. That means -7/21 is not same as 3/9. They are not same. They are not equal. If after cancellation their answer is same, then you can say that they are same, otherwise no. Second part, -16/20, 20/-25. कटिंग करो इसकी, 4 से कटिंग हो रही है. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, -4/5. इसकी 5 से कटिंग हो रही है. 5 4s are 5 5s. Answer is -4/5. They are same. Yes, -16/20 is equal to 20/-25. Minus you can put anywhere, either in the numerator or in the denominator. Both are same. So 2 parts I have done. So please start third part. Question number 6, B part homework. Okay. Do the third part of this. Third part is -2/-3 and 2/3. As you can see that minus is same, it will cancel out. This 2/3 is equal to 2/3. This implies -2/-3 is same as 2/3. Yes, they are equal rational numbers. This is your third part. Start fourth one. 8/-5. -24/15. 5 is a prime number, so it will not cancel out, but these two numbers can cancel out. 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15. 8/-5, यहाँ आ रहा है -8/5. Both are same. Minus you can put anywhere in the numerator or in the denominator. That means the numbers which are given in the question are same. Yes, they are same. So remaining 2 parts you will do in the rough notebook. Start the next part, fifth part. Start the fifth part, beta. Fifth I have done, sixth part. Hurry up. Start sixth part. Are they same? It's clearly visible. Sixth part, are they same? Arpita, Arshia, Jalash.
Ma'am, no.
Why beta?
Ma'am, because they are not equal.
What?
And because they are not equal and none of the
Because
question can be done.
Because one number is positive, one rational number is positive and another
Mhm.
is negative. So how positive and negative can be equal? So they are not equal. Same is the case
Ma'am,
for
Ma'am,
7.
seventh is also not equal.
Yes,
Ma'am, because -5 and -9 will become 5/9.
because first number is positive, second is negative. Again, they are not equal. So seventh part is also same. They are not equal. They are not equal rational numbers.